ESL. My name is Christian May Alpanta, taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Management Education, major in Financial Management.
Go Bella, laban. Isay ka. Oh, Hong Kong. Ayan o, ay tayo
So,
na
we
yapon.
have
Duha mag-usod.
hello everyone. Welcome and welcome and welcome to my testimonial. Yes. All right. So, okay. First, I want to say how grateful I am to be standing here today and given the opportunity to share my experience during our international educational tour in Thailand. So, when I signed up for this trip, I expected learning and sightseeing. But what I actually gained was so much more than that. It was a journey that opened my mind, strengthened my confidence, and of course, created memories that I'll carry for a lifetime. From the moment that we arrived in Thailand, everything felt new. From the luggage, the food, the culture, even the weather. You know what? When we arrived in Thailand, it was raining. I have a rain today. As you can see with my luggage, it got wet because of the heavy rain. Alright, for our first day. On our first day in Thailand, we went to Normas Botanical Garden, wherein Pattaya City. From Bangkok, we traveled for like almost 3 hours to Pattaya City to watch the cultural show, and of course, the elephant show. And then after the elephant show, we roam around the botanical garden and watch the beauty of the botanical garden. Oh my God, if you go with us, you will be amazed. And after that, of course, we went to Carnegie in Botanical Garden, where of course, we got to see the different kinds of garden. Okay? Alright, for the next stop, we went to Just Discovery. There, in Just Discovery, I've learned that, I learned that not just about luxury items, but the value of craftsmanship, detail, and presentation. And the next stop will be in Pattaya Beach, where we get to see the beauty of Pattaya Beach. As you can see, I'm pretty tired. Alright, in Pattaya Beach, I learned
Anxiety to never. Anxiety to
is,
never.
appreciating beauty, nature, and the moments of joy with friends. Actually, we got to take a picture with everyone there, but sorry, I can't share it with you guys. Next. The next one is we went to Wat Chai Mongko, where it is a temple, but we went there for just a picture. That's all. For the next, oh my God, for our second day, it was all about industry and culture. First, at Yakult's factory, Champion Thailand. At Yakult factory, we saw real manufacturing processes. From hygiene to bottling to packaging, everything we saw on how they create the Yakult brand. Wow. As you can see, we couldn't take pictures though because it was a private, because it is a factory. But this day made me say that, wow, this is what we learn in class, happening in real life. You can't believe it. We saw everything in the Cold Factory. And of course, they treated us with kindness, and gave us tokens, and of course, they shared the importance of quality, and consistency in their brand. Alright, as you can see, we also visited the Wat Cassandra, where we got a sample that helped us understand we understand
Culture.
on how culture and religion can shape society. Then there was Terminal 21 and Asia Tech, where we got to experience modern Thai lifestyle, and we also bought some pasalubong there, of course, with friends and my family. More friends and family rather. Hi! The most highlights of the day. And the moment that we felt like a dream. This was when we are in the luxury white cruise. The cruise ship. Oh my god, guys, if you go and ask, oh my god, everything is so perfect. We got to vibe and enjoy the moment. We actually got to interact with other nationality by dancing and singing. Actually, since we are a Filipino there, since you know Filipino is the bida-bida, yes, we are the first one to go in front and dance with the music. We got the request actually the budots and we dance. Of course, don't market to dance. So before I proceed for this third day, that cruise ship wasn't just fun. It is a reminder that learning also happens in moments where we get to breathe, to connect, and celebrate where we are. Alright,
Play.
for the third day, this is the most meaningful for me. You know why? Because we visited the Shinawatra University, where we got to present our concept paper, and of course, they also give feedbacks and comments, and syempre, they also ask questions about our concept paper, and of course, we will answer it. Pinas. And of course, guys, we also got to receive our certificate and everything what they said here. And in that moment in Shiniwatra, I learned that in Shiniwatra, it was a moment that I felt what it's like to be in an international academic environment. Yes. It made me realize that I want to work. It made me realize that I want to work with different kinds of people from different countries. Not just a student, but as a professional. In Shinawatra University, it reminded me that learning has no borders, and we belong in spaces like that. Alright, we actually toured the campus in Shinawatra University, and their university is so big and it's so wide that we couldn't reach the other building because of, it's so big and it's so mainit there. And after the Shinawatra University, we went to Platinum Fashion Mall, where we got to last minute shopping with art merchandise with Louis Vuitton. And me, myself, and I went to Rock Shop Restaurant Wall, where I got to see the Central World. The zone, as you can see, that's the Central World. I got to enjoy it by myself. I don't care what they do. Okay, next. Oh, good guys, yes, but no, I'm not done yet. So, with this insight, with this everything that I shared, I've learned that and throughout this trip, I've learned that no classroom can replicate. I've learned how to adapt, to observe, and to ask questions. I've learned how to speak with confidence, and I've learned how culture, business, and education are connected. And everyone who made this experience possible, to our faculties, our organizers, our Center of International Affairs, our tour guides, our partner institutions, and to my classmates, thank you. Thank you for believing that students like us deserve experiences beyond borders. In Thailand, I discovered the beauty of the world,
Slay.
but I also discovered the potential within myself. And now that we're back home, I hope we keep this mindset that learning wasn't stopped after a journey. That every experience counts. And that one day we won't be traveled to learn. We will travel to make a difference. So thank you, and I hope that more students after us will get to experience the same life-changing journey. Cocoon Path.
Thank you so much, Christine. It is really evident that you have not just only enjoyed your trip in Thailand, but you have learned so many things, the culture and etc.